Welcome to the module on installing the Data Prep app, a guide on successfully installing the Andri Data Preparation application. This is Module 3B of the Andri NIBS training series. The learning objectives of this module are to identify the purpose of the Andri Data Prep app, to understand when to use the app, to understand its functions, as well as complete the installation of the app. The purpose of the Data Preparation app is to streamline a pipeline for data exploration and cleaning, and prepare tabular data for downstream analyses such as principal component analysis, PCA, correspondence analysis, CA, and outlier analysis. This app uses these analyses to organize data, deal with missingness, and transform data based on data types. The app follows Andri protocol for preparing data, which consists of the steps mentioned in the following slides. In the NIBS curation process, the data preparation app is used after performing a standards check on the required components of a data package. Likewise, it is used before running outlier analysis on the tabular data. Overall, the data preparation app serves as a middleware between the existing Andri Standards app and the Andri Outliers app. Functions of the Data Prep app. The app performs missingness checks to determine the number of missing values per participant and per variable. Participants and variables are excluded if the percentage of missing values is high. Some analyses may not require all variables present in the dataset. For example, the date of data collection may not be important to the analysis, so the app would allow for manually selecting out the date variable. The app also performs transformations to recode variables into different formats. Imputations are performed to replace missing values with a calculated value based on the values in the dataset. Ensure that you have all the tools. Install R first and then RStudio. Please choose the correct installer carefully as it will depend on your computer's operating system. When prompted with installation options for R and RStudio, you can leave it as default and original configuration. Just like the other applications, the Data Prep app is also housed in the Andri NIBS GitHub page. Once you have RStudio open, go to File, New File, and then RScript. Type in the command given below in your script. Select the entire command and click on Run. Type the following line of code to install any missing packages required for the Shiny app to run. If you get the following message about package updates, please type 3, as we do not want to update any of the packages. Once the installation is complete, we are ready to open the Shiny app. Type in the following line of code in your R script. Select all and then click Run. Once you run the app, this window will pop up. This is the Data Prep app. You have successfully installed it. Congratulations! Thank you for watching Module 3B. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback about the Andri NIBS training series, please visit the Andri and OBI websites for more information.